Take me higher, off the ground. We're on fire, but I need you now.
But what really keeps me here is the feeling of being part of that nature.
We're on fire, but I need you now.
My name is Matías Rolotti. I am from Quilmes, Argentina. I studied business administration and I worked at different countries in the world for many years. When I discovered my real essence, I decided to leave everything and live differently inside the nature. And I found the most beautiful and raw environment in the south of the island of Florianópolis, Brazil. I feel very comfortable and safe here. It is a magic place where you can find different cultures and at the same time appreciate the amazing traditions of local people. We have a lot of nature to explore, like waterfalls, beaches, lakes, hikes, and people it's extremely kind.
Five in the morning, I'm all out of breath. Don't make me forget it, don't make me forget all the reasons I gave. Stuck in your bed, high as the ceiling. Love how you taste. Yeah, it's easy, yeah, to walk out the door and then never look back. There's no reason now to keep screwing over the feelings we have. So I keep coming over, breathing your cigarette smoke. Keep coming over. I keep on falling the further I get. Don't be mistaken, there's still some parts that just don't make sense. Stuck in my head, I keep on thinking, why won't we stay? see, you had to walk out the door and then never look back. There's no reason now to keep screwing over the feelings we have. So I keep coming over, breathing your cigarette smoke. Keep coming over.
My goal here is to evolve as a person, finding equilibrium and peace to increase the quality of life for me and my family, and be able to share all of it with people. If you ask me what I want is to show the amazing beauty of Florianópolis and help visitors to experience it, to be part of it during their stay. So, if you want to have a different experience at Brazil, I am here to help you out.
¿En español?
Español.
Bueno, era una vez... ¿Pero de qué historia te gusta?
Caperucita.
Caperucita. Era una vez una niña que se llamaba Caperucita Roja. Su mamá le dijo que le iba a llevar unas comiditas a la abuela porque estaba enferma. Entonces, pero la mamá dijo, cuidado con el lobo feroz. Entonces ella tomó cuidado y sin su mamá saber fue al camino del lobo feroz en la floresta y después se encontró con el lobo. Y él dijo que hagamos una corrida y ya que el lobo llegó primero, lobo, colorín colorado, este cuento será acabado.